Good morning, my dear friends. Happy New Year 2026. I tell you about Tricot Sourcing. Tricot Sourcing is our company. You know, it's a garment buying house sourcing and quality assurance partner. I tell about a brief story about the company. Tricot Sourcing, a leading garments buying house based in Bangladesh, specializing in apparel sourcing, product development, product management, and quality assurance. We act as a trusted bridge between international buyer and Bangladeshi manufacturer, ensuring a smooth operation from order placement to final shipment. 100% export ready-made garments, fabric and accessories suppliers, selling agent, publicity agent, shipper agent, managers, broker commission agent, indenting agent, contractors agents, migration consultant, advisor, stockist and distributor or any person, firm or company and generally to undertake the carry out agencies and generally work of any kind of whatsoever and transact all manner of agency looking commission distribution and advertising business. Type sourcing which is well established and manufacturing and sourcing in apparel with business transaction internationally. Tiger Sourcing is a customer-focused organization involved in manufacturing and sourcing apparel products. Each operating division has the same objective, which is the superior quality and customer satisfaction. Keeping this in mind, Tiger Sourcing has developed work method geared to ongoing attention to each and every step when expediting our project. Our procedure ensures to deliver a product within the set time with the superior quality result. We can offer a supply of wide range of ready-made garments in all categories, woven and denim bottom of all gender, kids and adults. We also produce circular knit for all gender, kids and adults. To establish, run, manufacturing, export, import of all sort of garments of gents, ladies, girls, boys, toddler, infants, and babies of all ages, and their allied product and byproduct and supply sell the same in both local and foreign market by illustration of imported and local machineries from imported and local raw material to produce various type of ready-made garments, men's shirt, trouser, baby dresses, jeans pant and short, sport dresses, women dresses, blouses and frock, t-shirt, top and international standard and design of export oriented or any other ready-made garments. To establish source of fabric, silk, nylon, rayon, synthetic, cloth, sherry, lungi, bedsheet, and bed cover. To import raw material, spare parts, machineries of all sorts for embroidery and other printing workers to import machinery of all types of spare and stores of all sorts as would be required for the factory. Finishing, knitting and composite textile mill and factories for specialized and ready-made garments in Bangladesh and undertake all other business in connection therewith to carry on the business as import, export and dealer of all general goods. Textile item, knit and woven ready-made garments and garments accessories. to carry on the business of thread, fabric dyeing, fabric printing, and finishing of textile products, to establish and operate neat composite mill, textile mill, sizing and dyeing or printing mills, washing plant, finishing mill, both for manufacturing of neat and woven fabric made of cotton, synthetic woolen, rayon, and any other fiber for 100% export purpose. Our commitment to quality, reliability, and ethical business practice has made us a dependable sourcing partner for global fashion brands and retailers. Our vision to provide complete apparel sourcing solution that exceed client expectation through innovation, integrity, and excellence in every stage of the production process. We don't just source, we build solutions. As the definitive partner in Bangladesh, we optimize the entire supply chain and deliver one comprehensive solution for every customer need. Our mission to to be recognized globally as a leading apparel buying and sourcing partner, delivering quality, sustainability, and value to our client. As Bangladesh premier sourcing collaborator, we create a seamless supply chain experience from concept to delivery. We add value at each step, fulfill all our clients' needs within the single platform. Our core service, product sourcing and development. Tricor Sourcing has a dedicated global certified technical design and design team working closely with the brand to study trends, attempting to give birth to new design technique, developing the design by sourcing the best raw material from global market at competitive price, and finally ensuring 100% fit accuracy for having better comfortability, whether it's personalized or commercial fits, merchandising and order management. Coordinate all stages from sampling to shipment, ensuring on-time delivery. We have on outstanding merchandising team in terms of time management and consistency. A balance of support cycle that works for suppliers across globe to ensure the best sourcing option for you. Quality control and inspection. Maintain high standard through in time, mid time, and final inspection. Price negotiation and costing. Secure competitive price through efficient sourcing and production planning. Compliance monitoring. Work only with the ethical, compliant, and socially responsible factories. Logistic and shipment support. Handle export documentation, trade coordination, and shipment follow-up. Our product range. We offer a wide selection of apparel in knit, woven, and denim categories: knitwear, t-shirt, polo shirt, tank top, hoodies, sweatshirt, woven, shirt, blouse, trouser, shorts, skirt, jacket. Denim, jeans, jacket, shorts, and casual bottom. Outerwear and sportswear, kidswear, menswear, womenswear. Our strength. Experience and dedicated merchandising team, strong network and complaint factories, transparent and ethical sourcing practice, in-house quality assurance and inspection team, timely delivery and cost-effective solution, commitment to sustainability and eco-friendly production. Why choose us? Quality beyond question. We integrate quality at every step, ensuring flawless execution from concept to completion. Future focused innovation. We constantly refine our process to deliver next generation product and superior quality efficiency. Partners in our vision. We don't just take order, we collaborate to create custom solution and drive all our all your success. Ethical at heart. We are dedicated to sustainably manufacturing, making responsible choose for our planet and our people. Our market. We export to major market including Europe, USA, Canada, Australia, Middle East. Our promise. We ensure total satisfaction by combining professional expertise, continuous communication, and uncompromising quality control. Your trust is our success. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our garments buying house. We look forward to the opportunity to support your sourcing needs and deliver dependable quality assurance at every step. No more today. I will tell about our company in tomorrow tomorrow morning.